Dear students, in last class we have discussed about addition of two vectors, law of triangle addition, multiplication of a vector by a scalar, components of a vector, vector joining 2 points, and section formula for internally and externally, and also solve the problems. In today's class also we shall discuss about the problems. Example 1. Find the unit vector in the direction of the sum of the vectors. Vector A is equal to 2i plus 2i plus 2j minus k minus 5k, and vector B is equal to 2i plus j plus 3k. Find the unit vector in the direction of the sum, means sum of vectors A and B. So first find A vector plus B vector, that is sum of the vectors. Vector A plus vector B, that is equal to 2i plus 2j minus 5k plus 2i plus j plus 3k. Therefore, vector A plus vector B, 2i plus 2i is 4i plus 2j plus 1j is 3j minus 5k plus 3k, that is minus 2k. Vector A plus vector sum of two vectors, that is called as vector C. 4i plus 3j minus 2k has C vector is equal to vector A plus vector B. Now find magnitude of vector C, that is equal to root of 4 square plus 3 square plus of minus 2 square. Therefore, magnitude of C vector is equal to 16 plus 9 plus 4. Therefore, magnitude of C vector is equal to root of 29. The unit vector in the direction of the sum of two vectors, that is C cap is equal to C vector dividing by magnitude of C vector. Therefore, C cap is equal to 4i plus 3j minus 2k. So dividing by root of 29. Therefore, C cap is equal to 4 dividing by root 29 I minus plus 3 by root of 29 into j minus 2 dividing by root of 29 k cap. The next example, find the unit vector in the direction of PQ. Find the unit vector in the direction of PQ vector where P and Q are the points 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, where P and Q are the points, P points 1, 2, 3 and point Q 4, 5, 6 respectively. Here let P 1, 2, 3. This implies OP vector is equal to I plus 2j plus 3k and vector Q is 4, 5, 6. This implies OQ vector is equal to 4i plus 5j plus 6k. So first find PQ. PQ vector is equal to OQ vector minus OP vector. Therefore, PQ vector is equal to OQ 4i plus 5j plus 6k minus I plus 2j plus 3k. Therefore, PQ vector is equal to 4 minus 1, 3i, 5 minus 2, 3j, 6 minus 3 plus 3k. So therefore, magnitude of PQ vector is equal to root of 3 square plus 3 square plus 3 square. Therefore, magnitude of PQ vector is equal to root of 9 plus 9 plus 9. Therefore, PQ vector magnitude is equal to root of 27. Therefore, PQ vector magnitude is equal to, so 9 3s are, root of 9 is 3 into 3 root 3. PQ vector magnitude is equal to 3 root 3. The next, write unit vector. Unit vector in the direction of the PQ vector. The unit vector in the direction of PQ vector is given by PQ cap is equal to PQ vector dividing by magnitude of PQ vector. Therefore, PQ cap means the unit vector in the direction of PQ vector. It is equal to 3i plus 3j plus 3k dividing by 3 root 3. Therefore, PQ cap is equal to 3 by 3 root 3 I plus 3 by 3 root 3 j cap plus 3 by 3 root 3 k cap. Therefore, PQ cap is equal to 1 by root 3 I plus 1 by root 3 j plus 1 by root 3 k. The next example, compute the magnitude of the following vectors. Find the magnitude of the following vectors. Vector A is equal to I plus j plus k. Vector B is equal to 2i minus 7j minus 3k, and vector C is equal to 1 by root 3 1 by root 3i minus 1 by root 3j minus 1 by root 3k. Find the magnitude of these vectors. So first one, vector A is equal to I plus j plus k. Therefore, magnitude of vector A is equal to root of 1 square plus j coefficient 1 square, k coefficient also 1 square. Therefore, magnitude of A vector is equal to 1 plus 1 plus 1. Therefore, magnitude of vector A is equal to root 3, square root of 3. Second one, vector B is equal to 2i minus 7j minus 3k. Therefore, magnitude of B vector is equal to root of 2 square plus of minus 7 square plus of minus 3 square. Therefore, magnitude of B vector is equal to 4 plus 49 plus 9. Therefore, magnitude of B vector is equal to root of 62. So, root of 62. And third vector, third one, C vector is equal to 1 by root 3 I minus 1 by root 3 j minus 1 by root 3 k. Magnitude of C vector is equal to root of 1 by root 3 whole square plus of minus 1 by root 3 whole square plus of minus 1 by root 3 whole square. Therefore, magnitude of C vector is equal to 1 by 3 plus 1 by 3 plus 1 by 3. Therefore, magnitude of C vector is equal to 3 by 3. Therefore, magnitude of C vector is equal to root 1. Therefore, magnitude of C vector is equal to 1. So find the, example 3, find the unit vector in the direction of vector E equals I minus 2j, that has magnitude 7 units. That has magnitude 7 units. Find the unit vector in the direction of vector A. So let A is equal to vector A is equal to I vector minus 2j vector. Find magnitude of vector A, that is equal to root of 1 square place of minus 2 whole square. Therefore magnitude of vector A is equal to root of 1 plus 4. Therefore magnitude of vector A is equal to root of 5. Now write the unit vector in the direction of vector A is given by A cap is equal to vector A dividing by magnitude of vector A. Therefore A cap is I minus 2j dividing by square root of 5. Therefore A cap is equal to 1 dividing by root 5 I minus 2 by root 5j. Therefore the vector having the magnitude is equal to 7 and in the direction of vector A is given by 7 into A cap is equal to 7 into 1 by root 5 I minus 2 by root 5j. Therefore 7 A cap is equal to 7 by root 5 I minus 7 2s are 14 dividing by root 5j. The next example, now example 4, find the vector joining the points P, 2, 3, 0 and Q. Minus 1, minus 2, minus 4. Find the vector joining the points P, 2, 3, 0 and Q, minus 1, minus 2, minus 4. Directed from P to Q. Directed from P to Q, that is vector PQ is equal to OQ minus OP vector. Therefore PQ vector is equal to OQ is minus I minus 2j minus 4k minus of 2I plus 3j plus 0k. So therefore PQ is equal to minus I minus into plus minus 2I is minus 3I minus 2j minus into plus minus 3j becomes minus 5j minus 4k minus 0k, that is minus 4k. PQ is minus 3I minus 5j minus 4k. The next example 5. Example 5. Find the scalar and vector components of the vector with initial point 2, 1 and terminal point -5, 7. Find the scalar component and vector components of the point. Initial point is 2, 1 and the terminal point is -5, 7. So here let point P 2, 1 is implies OP vector is equal to 2I plus J. Point Q is -5, 7. This implies OQ vector is equal to -5I plus 7J. Therefore, PQ vector is equal to OQ vector minus OP vector. Therefore, PQ vector is equal to -5I plus 7J minus 2I plus J. Therefore, PQ is equal to -5I minus 2I minus 7I plus 7J minus J is plus 6J. So therefore, scalar components are -7, plus 6 and vector components are -7I and 6J. So vector components are -7I and 6J. Scalar components are just -7 and plus 6. The next example, find the direction cosines. Find the direction cosines of the vector I plus 2J plus 3K. Find the direction cosines of the vector I plus 2J plus 3K. Here let vector A is equal to I plus 2J plus 3K. Here, so first find magnitude of vector A is equal to square root of 1 square plus 2 square plus 3 square. Therefore, magnitude of vector A is equal to root of 1 plus 4 plus 9. Therefore, magnitude of vector A is equal to 14. So therefore, A cap is equal to vector A dividing by magnitude of vector A. Therefore, A cap is equal to, that is I plus 2J plus 3K dividing by root 14. Therefore, A cap is equal to 1 by root 14 I plus 2 dividing by root 14 J plus 3 dividing by root 14 K. So therefore, direction cosines or direction cosines or 1 dividing by root 14, 2 dividing by root 14 and 3 dividing by root 14. So direction cosines. So right, next example. Show that the vectors vectors 2i minus 3j plus 4k and minus 4i plus 6j minus 8k or collinear or collinear. Here vector A is equal to 2i minus 3j plus 4k and vector B is equal to minus 4i plus 6j minus 8k. Here vector B is equal to minus 4i plus 6j minus 8k. Therefore vector B is equal to, take common minus 2i minus 3j plus 4k. Therefore vector B is equal to minus 2 into vector A. That is B is equal to lambda A. Means vector B is equal to lambda into vector A, where lambda is minus 2. Therefore vectors A and B have the same direction. So therefore they are collinear. They are collinear vectors. Okay students, stop here. So I will continue in next class.